The mining activity has made it very difficult for some Yanomami tribes to find the food that they need because it's damaged the environment, it's scared away prey, made it difficult to cultivate crops. It also has contaminated the land with mercury and poisoned some of the rivers, and it also has led to a return and a surge of malaria in the area. All of this together means that the infant mortality rate among Yanomami indigenous people is essentially 10 times higher than the rate in other parts of Brazil. Yanomami children are widely below weight and below height averages for their age. And so it is clear that the legal mining has had a serious impact to the health and to the potential survival and future of this indigenous group.
The Yanomami region and the Yanomami territory is so big, it's bigger than France, for instance. And when we landed, I didn't realize that there's a village very, very close to the mining activity. I was taking my pictures and then in a second, suddenly just like a line of like 10 arrived with the arrows, and it was very complicated to talk with them because just one of them speak like a barely Portuguese.
We linked up with IBAMA, which is Brazil's essentially environmental enforcement agency, and their job was to try to go visit some illegal mines and dismantle them. And the main way you do that is by destroying the machinery.
We call here in the tropics something like the gold fever, and people, they just travel to the Amazon with this dream to become rich. When we are in Boa Vista, it's the capital city of Roraima state, there is a lot of gold stores, something very unusual. And then this is the place when they start to live, because they spent like months and months in the middle of the jungle, and then when they just come to the city with all the gold, and they start to doing parties and fancy hotels and fancy restaurants, and it's all about money and how you can be rich. But for the Yanomamis, it's like a crime. Why you need money to live? For them, it's something you cannot understand, because richness is live here in the nature. Like, we have everything we need. It's hard to understand this rush for money, and it's unbelievable from them, to be honest.